What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be dyeing this Megalook 28-inch glueless wig inspired by Alabama Barker, as you guys saw from the thumbnail. So right now I'm just showing y'all like the wig, all the perks, how long it is, how thick it is, all of that good stuff. The lace is HD. It is glueless, so it comes with that little strap. The lace is, you know, it's eaten. You see it. You don't get a lot of lace space, but I mean, honestly, I'm not really tripping on it. So this is after I dyed it. So we're just about to get into it, y'all. So I'm gonna first start off by washing my wig with silicone mix shampoo. These are the best products for wigs. It just makes it like super soft, because out of the package it was kind of rough, but once I washed it in this silicone mix, it was straight. So I washed it twice just to make sure that it was perfect. I didn't have no problems with it or nothing. And the first time that I washed it, it was coming out with like this like color coming off of it. So I just washed it twice. And then I'm gonna use the silicone mix treatment, and I'm gonna use a pretty good amount. I'm gonna let that sit on there for like 30-40 minutes, just to ensure that it just takes and it's super soft and moisturized when I go to dye it, because dyeing a wig can ruin the quality and the texture of the wig. So I'm just making sure that I'm using good products before I dye it. As you can see, this is after I rinsed it out. It's super soft, you could just tell. Yeah, it's giving, y'all. This was a really good wig. It'll be linked down below if y'all want to shop, because it was a really good wig. But now we're gonna dye the wig. I used raw neon red hair dye from Amazon, and then Kiss Ruby Red. I recommend these hair dyes because they did their job. And then I used Kiss Neon Orange and Adore Ginger. That's 30. So I'm gonna start by just literally brushing this hair dye on. I do not recommend dyeing hair on your own. If you could have somebody do it, have somebody do it. Pay somebody to do it, because I wish I would have paid somebody to do this the way it gave me a big headache. But yeah, you just gonna have to just throw that hair dye on there, brush it in there, and then y'all gonna see in a little while. I thought that I was using enough dye. I thought that it was saturating all the way through. I thought I was separating the hair, getting the hair dye all the way through. But no, I was not, and I had to dye it again. So make sure that you're being real particular on this step with the hair dyeing, because it's a pain. But now I'm going in with the red. You see how much I'm saturating it, and I still did not get every piece of hair? That's crazy. But I'm putting that red on, and yeah, we just getting into it. This wig was super cute, so I advise y'all to get the look, you know what I'm saying? See, you see me right here going behind the hair trying to dye it. Didn't work, y'all. Did not work. I'm gonna show y'all my hands. See, do not recommend. This is a mess. This is the following day. This is what I'm talking about when I say I thought I dyed it correctly and I did not, because you can still see the blonde poking through. No problem though, because we about to get her together. And if you dye hair or do hair, get these alligator clips, because they do wonders. They do magical wonders. But yeah, the hair is still healthy, like after all that dyeing. And I really feel like it's because of my silicone products. But yeah, using the same hair dyes as before, and we about to get this thing together. So this is after I re-dyed that part right there, and went ahead and dyed the rest of the hair. This is it after I washed it. Still thick, still giving. About to go ahead and blow dry with the Miel protecting spray and just a round brush. This wig is super long. I feel like it's really worth the money. It's on sale right now as I'm speaking, so I will go tap in with it. I got the 28-inch one. But yeah. So this is after I blow dried, you know, styled, all of that good stuff like that, and I got some pin curls. So now I'm gonna let those curls out and just kind of style it how I want it. You're gonna see at the end of the video that I did not like these curls, so I ended up kind of doing like a straight look, but you'll see. So yeah, the lace is still giving, the hair dye didn't affect it, and she's bouncy and loose and all of that. Hey y'all, what's up? I don't think I did a formal introduction. So what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like it, follow me on Instagram, all of that fun stuff like that, right? So I have my wig cap on. I got like some braids and a body pin. Don't worry about what's under here. Don't worry about it. I have an HD cap on. If y'all don't know nothing about HD caps, get into them. This is literally skin. Like, you cannot even. Where's the wig cap? Oh, that's my skin. Yeah, thank you. So right now, I'm not about to do like an in-depth tutorial on a wig cap because I mean it's really just common sense. But since we're already into it, let's get into it. I laid my wig cap down. I cut my ear holes out. This powder is like a shade lighter than me. So I'm just gonna put that on. I don't want nothing exact because when you put something that's like your exact skin tone on your wig or on your wig cap, on your lace or whatever, it makes it get dark quicker because it's already your skin tone. So when it starts getting dirty from like the lace glue and stuff like that, it's gonna just start getting darker. Right now I'm gonna lay my wig cap down, so I'm gonna use the Even Wander Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Okay. And we're gonna get like a, you can use a stick, you can use a whatever. I'm just gonna use the comb. At this point you can either just wait for it to dry, you can use a blow dryer to make it dry, or you could put a wig band on. I'm just about to put a wig band on. Okay y'all, so I cut my wig cap off and all of that good stuff. So now I'm gonna put this wig on my head, and like I told y'all at the beginning of the video, this is glueless, so the lace is a little weird. So I'm just trying to figure that out. I probably should have came back when I figured it out, but this is real life stuff right here. So I was trying to get y'all to see. This is the lace glue that we're using. Even Wander Lace Bond. So I'm gonna let this dry. And then let's stick this wig down, you know what I mean? Oh my god, I really can't see that. I should have some pictures on my Instagram by now so y'all can be able to see it better. I really just want like my ends like bouncy and curly and stuff. Okay guys, sorry if the video cut off like awkwardly or whatever the case may be, but I didn't like how my hair was in the end of this video, so I'm just coming back to show y'all that it's laid. Like, these are my edges, and this is the color. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if y'all was able to catch my color in the video. Yeah. So this is the hair. I'm gonna link the wig down below if you want to get it and stuff. Good quality, doesn't shed a lot. It's staying true to length, it's staying true to thickness. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna probably be doing like more like hair related content because I'm always doing my hair and I never do content, which is crazy because I'm really always doing my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing more content, so if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And I got plenty of videos on the way, so just stay tuned. It's connected to you.